Alright, so it's interesting to note that when the boat is not in the water and you push the buttons, it will not run. So once you put it in the water, however, though, it can sense it and will run, which is a neat trick. So here we go. Again, not super fast. But fun. Important to put your antenna all the way up. So fun for an above ground pool like this. Good for the kids. Cheap. Again, not super powerful. But I am using rechargeable batteries. You might get a more energy power if you're using a more powerful Duracell batteries, but you'll eat them. Figure 8. So it's too small to put like a little camera on it or anything like that, but for just tooling around in your pool and having fun, or for playing with the kids, great. We'll move up from this one, get a bigger one. Again, rechargeable batteries, great idea. Takes 4 AA's to charge this little guy. Not super fast. I had hoped it would have been a little faster. Well, I'll try some Duracells and see if that makes a difference. You can go in reverse. There we go. It's far more faster than the forward gear. Neat little toy from China. Obviously the directions were in Chinese, that's why I wanted to make sure that when you charge it, make sure the charging controller is in the off position. If it's in the on position, it will not charge it. So it's hard to determine that from the directions, but we figured it out. So with the filter on, this little guy would probably struggle quite a bit. So it's not that powerful. It's very, very much toy-like. It's a toy. Not professional grade in any way. Yeah, she's starting to run out of juice. And we're at like 3 minutes. Does corner pretty well though. And again, if you use rechargeable batteries, you can get hours out of this thing. Just it may not go as fast. Probably get about 8 or 10 minutes out of a charge, but it is slowing down. We're at about 4 minutes and 20 seconds or so. So that's the little Chinese boat, or RC micro boat. This is your remote with the antenna extended. Again, up, down, that's forward and reverse, left and right. Pretty simple. But I like the boat for the price. Just don't expect super speed or anything like that. If you get two of them of the same model, you probably have problems running them, I would assume, because they're on the same frequency. There's no selection to change it, so getting more than one for the kids might not be a great idea. But again, I don't know. I haven't tested it. So we still got charge after 5 minutes, but she's getting pretty slow. So great little toy for the money. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Alright, we're going to give her another charge and play with this afternoon, and we want to thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it here at Czar Films. And again, this is a quick little review of the HuanQi RC micro remote control boat. This is the 958 on eBay for $12.99 or $13.99. They have different colors. Pretty neat little toy. We would recommend it just for fun. If you're looking for professional, this is not it. But for a toy for the pool, perfect, inexpensive, fun. Fun for the kids. Fun for the adults. Thanks again. It's like Miami Vice in my pool. Ding ding digga 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 ding. Push that pool right out of there, yeah. Can we get out? Yeah. It's kind of like having a micro version of Crockett and Tubbs in your pool. Thanks for watching.